Yo, what's up everyone? Project Moto here. Been away for a couple of weeks. I have had COVID, so we're back to normal right now, and today we're going to be unboxing the new Streetfighter V2.
It's running away from... Stop!
Bring it back, bring it back. Do I? Right, so this is it. Streetfighter V2. It's freezing out here.
What?
I might go out on the bike. What do you think? It's got a bit colder, isn't it?
I wouldn't be going out today. Only a fool would go out today.
That's me then.
You going out?
Oh, weather's here, look.
Oh, here we go. You're right over there.
Just jealous because I'm going back in the wall.
Yeah, quite. It's got cold. I just thought I'd take the Streetfighter out. It suddenly got really cold.
I'm going to clean my car in a minute.
Are ya?
Yeah.
I could borrow some of your clothes.
What do you want to borrow?
Whatever. Yeah.
You wouldn't like my pants.
Oh, I don't think they'll fit. They might be a bit baggy on me.
They're full. Extra room.
Right. Let's see this baby. I've actually missed an unboxing of a Streetfighter, the V2. Been off with COVID. It weren't that bad, to be honest. Sore throat for about 45 minutes. That was it. This is not the first time you've seen this Streetfighter, is it?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I've done one already.
Right, yeah, well, I weren't here, was I?
No, you were...
I was COVID off.
You were. Sorry, I didn't mean to laugh, but... You probably felt better than you do most of the time.
Do you know
anyway.
what I did? I actually felt on the day two, I felt the best I've felt in years.
Yeah.
But really, I was going to take this out, but it suddenly got really cold, didn't it?
Today?
Yeah.
Today it's got
Temperature's dropped.
really freezing today.
What are you looking at? Do you know him?
I was looking at that aeroplane, don't look like it's up there for long. Won't be long, we'll be out on these bikes.
He won't be. It'll be about an hour's time for me, I suppose.
Yeah, it won't be long for you.
I know I've had some favourite bikes over the time. But I think this is going to be my favourite bike.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. Because I do like the V4, but it's bonkers, isn't it?
Yeah.
I do like the Monster. I know it's not a Streetfighter, but it is a naked bike. I do like the Monster, but it's kind of going to be like little Goldilocks and the Three Bears, you know? One's too not quite enough, one's too much, and one's just right. So let's hope this one's just right.
I'm sure it will be, you'll like this. It's going to be a good bike.
You look warmer than I feel.
I'm probably warmer than you, because I'm moving.
Oh yeah. Shall I move it? Let me move about while I do it then.
Yeah, go on.
Do like a little 360.
Can you do that?
Do you know how much these are?
What's that?
Do you know how much these are?
I haven't got a clue.
Just under 15 grand.
Oh, no.
14,995.
I'm sure they're worth every penny.
Yeah. 955cc. 153 horsepower.
Yeah.
178 kilos. You know they weigh exactly the same as the Streetfighter V4.
Do they?
Yeah. I thought this would have been a little bit lighter than the V4.
You sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure about that. Yeah, but it's 55 brake horsepower less. Come on, I've been waiting for this bike.
Well, it's nearly done, isn't it?
Yeah, so like I say, the Monster I love, the Streetfighter V4 I love. And this is going to sit right in between them. Oh, it's got the black writing on it as well now. Like the new Panigale and stuff. The new Panigale with the black writing, which looks really nice.
We do need gloves, my hands are freezing with this cold metal.
Yeah, it looks cold. I feel for you.
Yeah.
Says on there, V2. Look at that, eh? Look at that.
Nice.
Oh yeah, because they don't have the wings on them, do they? No wings. Oh, so all we've got to put on this is mirrors.
Pretty much.
Right, you like to hold it?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Right, it's all yours.
Looks nice though.
I was like this last night with her underwear.
Oh God. What, you need a Stanley knife?
Yeah, prise it off.
I'll take it. It's too cold out here. Let's get the mirrors and the bar end weights on and have a look at the inside, I think. Right, and here it is in the showroom. Got the mirrors on it, bar end weights. But look at that. Obviously there's no wings and stuff on here. And this side bit, that's a little bit different. Obviously the V2 engine and exhaust. I just noticed the seats are a little different. Another thing I do like the way Ducati are doing this black writing on the bikes. And against the V4, it's not massively different. This is the S, so it's got the gold Öhlins forks on it. They got the wings on them. Obviously the V4 motor. This has also got a full system on it. But looking at them, they're actually quite similar. But yeah, so out of naked bikes, all my favourites, the Monster and the Streetfighter V4. The V4, as much as I love it, it is crazy bonkers, like 208 brake horsepower. The Monster is really fun, 111 brake horsepower. So when you're used to riding bikes with brake horsepower, you do kind of notice it. So I think this in the middle, 153 brake horsepower, it's probably going to be just right. Well, so that's the Streetfighter V2, finally out of the box. They have had another one in, but like I say, I've been off with COVID, so it still looks as nice and as awesome as the Streetfighter V4, but I think that some people might prefer it without the wings, because wings are a bit marmite, hit and miss whether people like them. But yeah, considering like the sort of, last year I probably enjoyed riding all the naked bikes the most, but like I say, the V4 can be a little bit too much on the road. You can't really use all the power all the time. The Monster, that is a great bike to have a little thrash around on down the lanes and things, but I do think that this is going to be perfect. I would take it out right now, but it has got absolutely freezing outside, so we're not going to really find out anything about the bike, so that will be in the next video. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.
Same as what you're wearing. Look,
Is that yours?
these are mine.
I could live in that. That's so big. You sure they're mine, aren't they? You've got bigger ones.
There you go, look.
That's a nice shoot. Fucking
they're
hell, and half heavy.
Too small for you, that's yours.
Are you
isn't
going to be able to dance in them?
They're done half way a lot. You felt the weight of that.
Fucking hell.
That's heavy, sure.
That's like old
My
school.
crash helmet's less than this. That's alright, it's a bit...
I might put the phone back in.
It's basic, isn't it?
We'll have a shoe fitting.
It's like at the Clark's shop, where they measure your foot as a child.
You can't press a toe in these ones, though, can you? Find out where your toe is.
No.
Jesus Christ, what the fucking size are these?
How can there be such a difference between that and them?
said
Have
to
you
you-
had a look at the labels? It
What
say
size?
10.
UK 10, look. These are the same size as Paul's.
Look at mine.
Paul's ain't 10s, are they? He's got size 5 feet.
Let me put them against them.
What size, what do you want?
They're the same size, look. It's a 10 and an 8.
They fit me, but they're a bit loose. They feel like I'm wearing like
size are you?
swimming shoes.
What
What
size
size are you normally?
8.5.
They're 10s.
They're meant to be 10s.
They fit me. Look how wide it is compared to my other shoe.
They're too big. Are they all too big?
Are yours,
Are yours
alright?
too big?
Yeah, they're a bit big, yeah, I don't want them.
What do you mean you don't want them?
Well, he can send them back, can't he, if they're the wrong size? They look like spoon shoes. It's like I'm in the centre. You can't order shoes online, can you? You've got to try them on. These are too big, I don't want them.
What do you mean they're too big?
They're too big. What do you want me to say?
It's literally like taking a kid shoe shopping.
Yeah.
I'm not wearing a bag. This is
I could actually play table tennis with this.
Are they too big? Yeah. They're a 7, are they?
You're 11.
Yeah.
What size are they?
Well, that's no different to the one I just tried on. Fucking hell.
Right out there.
One felt tighter than the other.
One is tighter than the other. Are they not for people with a club foot? Are they?
Take them, I'll put them in the bag and we'll get someone else.
He's just done the shoe, done them up.
Yeah, they're not very tight, are they?
He just slipped, he done them all up, and then he just slipped them off like slippers.